And this is my substantially complete reimagined scenic ridge, which I've shown off before. Here in the corner of my living room, with adjacent staging tracks and workbench. All right, layout number one. Now we're gonna head for the back bedroom and see what we find there. So for some of you, the last time you saw this, it was all white from track risers and unscenic mountains. Well, we've started the scenicking process. Still lots of trees to add to simulate the Appalachian Mountains. Maybe turn on the light while we are at it. There we go. Well, we found this layout. We also found a cat. Probably fortunately for my layouts, the cat does not jump well. So we hardly ever see him messing with the layout. Small yard, used mainly as staging tracks for other trains. Still got some work to do on a little rural community here in the corner. Anyway, this is a 4x8. And I started it when I discovered Caddo Track. And there's no paper plan for this. I just kind of started setting the track out around on the 4x8 sheet of foam. And this is what I ended up with. My favorite 3 passing tracks. And 2% grades, with the exception of the branch that leads to the mine. And you can see, if we get down low, it's a rather dramatically steeper grade than the adjacent tracks. Excuse me. All right, let's see if our train is going to come through the tunnel here. I can hear it. See if we can see the glow of the headlight in the tunnel. Here he comes. This is my steam era layout. On the substantially complete layout, I run early diesel, and this is my steam era layout. And obviously lots of scenicking still to be done. Trees, give the little rural village here some character. And my other steam engines. There's a new Pacific that just arrived that hauls the passengers. It's meant to simulate a Southern Railway branch line somewhere in the Southern Appalachians. As we pull back and take a look at the full 4x8. That corner will have a mine that the steep branch line goes to. And let's see the train coming again. This is where the downgrade to the yard and town starts. I love these steam engines. So, layout number 2, steam era. All right, let's go back to the living room and see what we've got. Oh my God, it's another one. It's another one. Layout number 3. Caddo sucked me in again with their super elevated concrete ties, and I realized I was going to have to get some modern era trains to run on these super elevated tracks. So there goes Amtrak, and there goes the CSX freight, and in behind I may eventually model the auto train station. This is intended to be a specific prototype. First time I've tried that to test my modeling skills. This is going to be the Potomac River. And back here where you see the white foam, that's where I plan to do a very selectively compressed model of Ashland, Virginia. And we will see. It's a little disappointing to find, once you put the trains together, that there's a limit to the length of the trains, which is probably not really the prototype right now, where they are running extremely long trains. So we'll watch the freight train go by, at least until the Amtrak cuts us off. And there goes Amtrak. This is 3 feet by 9 feet. And the opposite side of the living room, which I guess we have to now call the train room. And over on the other side is the first layout. So that is our layout update. I guess we're going to call it Layouts Update. Thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted on developments.